March 25th, 2024, big snowstorm. It's Monday, school off for kids. Snowplow just knocked over the mailbox. He's coming back. We just shoveled the first round. We'll be shoveling again. Here's the wife's car. Oh yeah, it's that temp though. It might rain later. Beautiful stuff though. I love a good snowstorm, but it's kind of heavy and wet. You gotta be careful. Not safe. You screw up your back. Not good for your heart. Go help Grandpa and shovel his driveway, or Grandma. Yeah, look at that. Mailbox is down. You can't even get out of the driveway. There's about a foot of snow at least. Look at that. Look at that mess. Better have a plow. Somebody to help you dig out. There we go. Mailbox is in the ditch. First time. We've been here almost 17 years. We've had some giant snows. Just rent the house. Been a good spot for the boys. Here he comes back. I'm gonna catch him. We're gonna catch him on. Go hide out in the barn. Did you see it? Did you see it happen? I bet you did. There's my watchdog, my great owl. He's got some snow on him. We'll help him out. Here he comes. Here he comes. Let's go into the barn where all the raccoons live. No snow in here. I'm gonna hide out real quick. Here he comes. Oh, is he gonna do it? He's thinking about it. He's like, should I? I might get in trouble. Nope. He's working. He's out there plowing so people can get out. Get somewhere. We still got a long ways to go. Whole day more of snow coming. Minnesota special. 60s a week and a half ago, we had 60s. Beautiful weather. Trees were starting, they're budding. I swear I was seeing some little leaves. Going for a walk, nature walks. It was gorgeous. All the lakes and rivers are opened up. Here he comes. Here he comes. Think he can see me? I'm in camouflage. He's focused on his job. It's like, man, I knocked over that mailbox. Just gotta get him. Oh, he's backing up. He might see me. Might have got busted. Might know he took it down. He's in trouble. No, they do whatever they want. They're the plows. We'll fix it. It's nothing. Mailbox is in a old milk pot. He must have went too far onto the edge. We're watching the plow guy in the back country roads. All gravel. It's the first time a plow's been around in a while. We haven't had snow all year, except for a couple inches the other day. No moisture in Minnesota for months. You don't want to come down. He's like, that guy's videoing me. But I can do whatever I want. It's America. America special. Snowstorm 2024. Gotta get a good video for the YouTubers. Soon. It's springtime too. Easter's coming next weekend. Oh yeah. What's he gonna do? Is he gonna leave? Is he gonna continue somewhere else? Nope, he's coming back. I want to get him on video. Get that big push of the snow. He's just gonna work the spot. He's got all day to plow. All day to plow. Here we go. Now you want to go jump on that hay. Screwing around in the hay. That's fun when you're a kid. Beautiful day. Snow's coming down. When you can't see the woods across the street, the woods across the field, when you can't see them, then you got good snow coming down. Right now it's decent. It's beautiful. Kodak moment. The birds are singing, but it's not super intense. But it's heavy. Heavy wet snow, oh yeah. Bad video guy. Here he comes. Here comes somebody behind him. Get in the plow guy. 2024, oh yeah, here we go. We're just gonna back up. Guy that knocked the mailbox over, that's life. Dave's excavating. Gotta have a clean road. I'd do the same thing, but I'm an amateur. Look at that, oh yeah. I think that was Spencer out driving, maybe going to work late. Now that the roads are plowed. Woo-wee, beautiful day. Get the kids out and play. It's a snow day, no school for the kids. Oh yeah. One son's in Fargo with his girlfriend for a rodeo. Other son's with his other girlfriend at their house on the lake. If he was home, he'd be riding. Right? Right. Oh, this is beautiful. I don't know if I could make it out of the driveway. If I was flying, maybe I'd have to do a bunch of shoveling to clear a path to get out. That's the life when you live in the country. You live out in the country, you can get huge drifts because it blows in from the open fields. And we get a couple feet drifts. I can hear snowmobilers in the distance. I haven't heard them all year. We got a big snowmobile path right next to the highway. 169 right there. Oh, now it's beautiful. Gorgeous stuff. Beautiful Kodak moment. Ah, big flakes. Get into the shade. Have a little sip of coffee. Listen to the birds. Take a break from shoveling. Got a day off of work. Gonna enjoy the little things, that beautiful snow. Before you know it, it's gonna be hot. The bugs will be out. Even though I love to garden. Man, this is cold weather, beautiful snow, beautiful day. God bless. Take care. Thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe and like and follow. You could do it. It's so much fun. Tell your friends. Elijah from America. Homegrown veggies, organic. Build the soil. It's full of life. Help the birds and bees and butterflies. They need your help. Don't spray your yards. The dandelions are the first food for the bees. Soon it'll be spring. It is spring, but this is what you get in Minnesota. 1 week it's 60s, next week it's snowing in 20s. Soon it'll melt. All the birds are back too, migrated. Trees are budding. Maybe good, maybe not. Never know what you're gonna see. No commercials. YouTube special. Gonna get another foot of snow. Minnesota, here we go. Get your shovels ready. Or your snowblower. Or contact your plow guy. Do whatever you gotta do. Hunker down. Get ready. Big snowstorm. 2024. Minnesota. Oh yeah, look at you. Can almost not see the woods over there. That means it's coming down good. The birds are still singing though. Nice little video. Had lots of winners here with my 3 boys and great wife. Cover that bear up and you got a lot of snow. got a ways to go, but you never know out in the country. Big drifts on the barns, huge drifts in the driveway we just shoveled, me and the wife. Good stuff. You do it once, you have to do it 2-3 times with this kind of snow. Might rain later. Look at it, it's coming down. Months of nothing. Now you get a giant spring storm. Compliments of beautiful Mother Nature. How good are your gutters? Haha, that's funny. Oh yeah, take the kids out sledding. Go make yourself a snowman. It's perfect snow for snowballs. You can have fun no matter what. Gotta love watching a good snowstorm. Gotta go in, warm the hands up. Got the wood fire going. Get to burn wood. Wood fireplace. Go make some eggs and toast. Eggs from our chickens. Oh yeah. Organic toast. Good jelly. Quality stuff. See you next time. Have a great day.